Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today we have MATIC Network Polygon daily update. So let's see, where are we going? Are we going to have a double bottom and then a string high? We will discuss every detail. I think our time is coming, guys. And of course, before we begin, join our monthly subscription. Link is in the description down below. Buy me a coffee /MindYourCrypto. You get easy profits with automated signal, buying opportunities, personal guidance, and most importantly, guys, you get educational videos to learn and become expert in the technical analysis. Hold your future in your hands. Only 50 people can join in, and of course, guys, you can cancel your subscription anytime you like. Join our Telegram group chat, link is also in the description down below. We help each other, we are a community that grows fast, and of course, hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. That's it. So let's go now to the technical analysis, and you can see right now that we had this hammer candle right here, we had a bullish candle right there, and now we are falling a little bit down, right? And what we might see right here is that we might have a double bottom and a swing high. We will see about that. We will analyze it, everything, every detail, guys. And what I would do if I wanted to find some major resistance levels, I would go in here, guys, and I would draw a Fibonacci retracement starting from this top right there, ending up to this bottom in order to find some important resistance levels. And here we are, guys. We have the 9.10 around there, 9.12 around 1.12, sorry guys, 1.13, and of course the 1.15 to 1.16 around there, guys. These are our major resistance levels. Of course, we have the 1.06, but I think we can easily break this one right here. Then we have the 1 Tether USDT as our major support level, and of course, in case we go down, which I don't think this is the case for now, we are going to 94 cents, but we will discuss everything, guys, afterwards. Okay, so do not worry about that. Right now, let's go to the MACD. On the MACD, you can see we had our highest here point, then we had lower highs, we lost this support level. On the MACD, guys, this wasn't looking good, so good on the 4-hour frame. However, the fact that we don't drop further down into this support line is good. Okay, and we might have a bullish recross right there. So what we want to see now eventually for the MACD is to go all the way upwards, right, and to surpass even the previous high right here. It will be absolutely good, and you can see that the moving average starting to gain some points right there. We had our lowest point around there, you can see it on the red zone, and now we are starting to go a little bit upwards. We want to have our green actually bars right there. Okay, so we might have a bullish cross and a further distance afterwards. Let's go now to MATIC USDT chart, guys. I will remove the drawings. Let's go to the RSI commodity channel index. The commodity channel index is a little bit above the -100, the bottom line of the commodity channel index. So there one risk metric, the other risk metric, you can see that we are going into 30. We are not yet into 30, of course, but what we hope to see now is just that and go out, right? We want to see this pattern following on the RSI. Stochastic RSI is not in an oversold situation in the 4-hour frame. Therefore, guys, it is very high. We have a very high possibility that we can go a little bit downwards before we can reapproach the high right there. But it's not something that we should see. We should definitely see, because right there we can make a huge high right there for MATIC and therefore go outwards all the way, breaking the 1.06 and going even higher. So maybe our time is coming because of the daily frame, guys, and because of the daily frame you can see that although the RSI is above the 30, the commodity channel index is below the -100, this bottom line right here, you can see it, and of course the stochastic RSI is getting into an oversold situation. So after all of these, guys, 2 out of 3 risk metrics on the daily frame are in an oversold situation. And what it means on the daily frame, it means you minimize the risk. It means on the midterm, right? It might not happen in the next day or 2 days, but in the next few days we will see a swing high for MATIC. I really believe that, guys. We won't be going down forever. Okay, so we had the bullish cross here on the MACD, but we aren't able to form a higher pattern right here where the blue line will go above the signal line and will gain some further distance, right? That's what we want to see right there, gaining the blue line gaining some further distance from the signal line, the orange line right there. Okay, because when we have the bullish cross right here, when we have the blue line above the signal line, we have a very good bullish scenario right there. But we need, first of all, the bullish cross that we had here back on 4th July, and secondly, a further distance between the blue line and the orange line. Okay, so right there you can see the SSL hybrid, nothing to talk about. We had a buying opportunity here, selling opportunity here. SSL hybrid is not so good at identifying the selling opportunities when to short our position, and you can see that on the Bollinger bands we are going into the bottom line of the Bollinger bands again. So we might be having soon a swing high. I believe that we can have the swing high we want for MATIC, and a very good significant swing high. You can see the bottom line and the top line are approaching each other, so we are getting into a nice squeeze point. We are not into a squeeze point yet, but we are getting there. It is good, guys. And the RSI, maybe it is not below 30, but I believe that we might not see it going all the way downwards. I believe that we might see it going upwards from here on, maybe a double bottom and go upwards. Let's see what we will do. The only thing that worries me right now is that the RSI is not near the 30, right? That thing only worries me, but we always check the commodity channel index first. Okay, so let's go to MATIC Bitcoin chart. You can see on the 4-hour frame for MATIC Bitcoin we are in an oversold situation. You can see that we are in an oversold situation. That is another bullish scenario. Because right now, guys, you can see that what we want to see right now is a very significant swing high and potentially outperform Bitcoin. Because if we do that, then this means we can go upwards in the USDT valuation as well. You can see that according to the stochastic RSI, we have an extremely oversold situation right here. Okay, and you can see that the RSI is below 30. Commodity channel index is near the minus 100, clearly almost in an oversold situation, as you can see here. So in the 4-hour frame, we expect maybe in the next few days to just hit a swing high right there for MATIC go a little bit upwards, right? I expect that for MATIC Bitcoin chart. You can see the daily frame. On the daily frame, we are in an extremely oversold situation for the commodity channel index, for the stochastic RSI, and almost for the RSI. Actually, it is at 37. We might expect a little bit further down, but I really hope that we can have another swing high right there and potentially outperform Bitcoin, right? But we lost the support level, guys, and we have the bearish cross on the daily frame. So even if we have a very nice swing high right there, do not expect MATIC Bitcoin chart or MATIC Tether USD to go into our previous high pretty soon, right? Because I don't think that we will go to our previous all-time high pretty soon. Okay, I'm just saying that we will have a very significant swing high, which is important as well, as you know. Okay, so on the daily frame we talked about that. On the 4-hour frame, to our price analysis right now, I will draw my Fibonacci retracement, as I've told you guys, starting from the top right there at 29th June, on 29th June, ending up on 9th July, right there, okay, around there. So let's see some resistance levels. The 1.06, of course, we talked about before, 1.10, 1.12 to 13, and to 1.15 around there. Tether USD, guys. We are on USDT in the 4-hour frame on TradingView. Okay, so what are we having here? We are having, maybe we are going to have a double bottom right there, guys, almost a double bottom and a swing high. I do believe we might be seeing this pattern following on for MATIC. The reason is simple. On the daily frame, we are in an oversold situation. MATIC Bitcoin chart on the 4-hour frame is in an extreme oversold situation. An extreme oversold situation is happening when 3 out of our 3 risk metrics are in an oversold situation. The stochastic RSI, the RSI, and the commodity channel index. Always have that in your mind. So definitely, guys, we are going to see a swing high. The truth is here, where are we going to go? Because eventually we might stop at 1.10. We might stop a little bit higher. I think that we can go above, first of all, the 1.06 and have maybe a swing high to 1.12, even higher, maybe even higher, guys. We are going to see 1.15 even there. Okay, so in my opinion, guys, I believe that we will have a swing high for MATIC. The time is coming, our time is coming. Hold on. If you are in a loss, guys, if you are in a loss, then just hold your coins. If you bought around here or maybe even higher, just hold your coins. You will find a perfect time to sell MATIC. Or if you are a long-term investor, just never sell for now. Hold your MATIC, because I do believe that MATIC will go upwards and will go above the previous high for MATIC. Okay, MATIC Network Polygon. So let's go now to Bitcoin, because we depend a lot on Bitcoin, guys, for MATIC. Bitcoin chart looks like a bit going sideways. It doesn't know where to go for now. I believe we might have another swing high right there. We are not in an overbought situation for the commodity channel index, for the RSI right there, but we were on the stochastic RSI. Therefore, that's why we might have corrected a little bit right here. You can see that because the stochastic RSI was above the 80. And of course, the other indicators were below their top limits. But that's why it is good, because we can go a little bit even higher according to the commodity channel index. You can see that the Bitcoin has 36 around there. We are now on the commodity channel index on the 4-hour frame. Therefore, until we just see a swing high and outperform Bitcoin, we depend a lot on Bitcoin, right? So if Bitcoin has a crash, we might go down. But if Bitcoin has a crash, guys, and we just start to outperform Bitcoin, then we might just save our support level around there, around 1 Tether USD, and then have the significant swing high we are talking about for MATIC. Either way, guys, I believe MATIC will have its swing high towards these price targets, the 1.06, which will easily break. We will easily break, I think, the 1.10, which is one of the most important resistance levels for now, and we have some major resistance levels going on afterwards. Okay, so in my opinion, guys, I believe we are going to see another swing high after double bottom forming right there for MATIC, and our time is coming for sure. According to Bitcoin, we can grow a little bit more. We would love if MATIC starts to outperform Bitcoin and Bitcoin goes upwards. This will mean, guys, that MATIC will just go crazy high, right? Because if Bitcoin, let's say, goes up 5% and MATIC starts to outperform Bitcoin, MATIC will go upwards like 20% or more. Okay, so in my opinion, guys, we just want to see Bitcoin going upwards for now and MATIC outperforming Bitcoin, because we are in an oversold situation right here on the RSI and all on the risk metrics right there. Okay, commodity channel index is a little bit above the -100, but it is okay, guys. You can see it was in an oversold situation back on the previous hours, guys, on 10th July. So join our monthly subscription to get easy profits and learn, become expert in the technical analysis, and join our Telegram group chat. Links are in the description down below. Also hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Stay positive and stay patient. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.